Okay, take two. This is Melissa with Peterson Designs. I am going to show you how to make pillowcase covers out of kitchen towels. I really wish buffalo plaid wasn't considered a holiday item. I would keep it out year round. And this one's going to be a little bit crooked. Sometimes that happens, so just have to adjust. So basically a kitchen towel from Hobby Lobby. This will fit a travel size pillow. This one actually might be one I shouldn't do. Let's do this one. That one was not cut correctly, so it's probably going to give me issues. We'll do this one instead. I got this today at Hobby Lobby. So do that for Thanksgiving. So let me make sure I get this straight. Okay, we're gonna do Velcro on one side so we can be able to take our pillow inserts in and out as we want to, so we can either wash these. I'm going to use hot glue, fabric hot glue, and according to instructions you can wash these in lukewarm water and then air dry. Do not machine wash. Hi Piper. So I've got my Velcro I bought from Amazon. It comes in a set. One side's the hook, the other side's the soft part. I'm just going to eyeball it and cut. Yeah, I'm trying to hide my scissors. My good ones are downstairs. And then, where's the end? We will measure this out. And cut. Okay, so I did one pillow, and the Velcro here comes with a paper backing, and I had a couple pillows where they stayed on just fine, and then a couple pillows where they kind of pulled off. So I'm going to basically reinforce it with hot glue. So we'll scroll you down here. And I think we'll keep the tag down there. I'm going to line this up. This glue dries like within 60 seconds, so this part will be have to be kind of quick. And this is just to help reinforce the backing. Take off the paper. And apply. And try not to get glue on your hands and burn yourself. I got a little bit on the outside, so I'm just going to wipe it off once it dries. Okay, so that's that side. That wasn't the neatest job, but it'll work. Okay, we're going to do the other side. And yes, my hands are shaking for some reason. Take the backing off and apply. There, that was a little bit better. Yeah, so the glue that seeped out, I can just pick it off now that it's dry. And we're on the inside of the pillow, so it's not gonna show. Okay, now this part's gonna be the important part, because you want to line this up the best you can on the corner with the Velcro, because that'll kind of guide you to where the other side will be. Okay. And we're gonna glue in small sections and just work our way around. Go right up here on the very edge, and I follow the seam line the best I can. And just kind of push it down into the threads. And it dries pretty fast, which is why we're gluing as we go. This glue took a little while for it to warm up, so just give you a heads up if you try that. These kitchen towels are soft. I actually use a travel pillow to sleep with normally. Long story short is I have back and neck issues, and when I sleep on my back, I don't use a pillow. Any amount of pressure just kind of hurts my head, hurts my neck. So on my side, I always wake up, so I'm always reaching for my small pillow. And this is just like the perfect size. And these kitchen towels are soft, and you got these things laying around the living room. We like to take naps in our living room on the couch, or have these as decorative bed pillows. These will be neat. It doesn't take a lot, but a good, nice, I feel like I'm caulking. There we go. And that's it. Let that dry, and we can put that pillow in there. These are so much fun. I've already got my Christmas towels picked out and waiting to go. So I think this will be neat. Got any questions, let me know. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you want to join MPD Tribe, I have a free library for my tribe members where they can, I keep free SVG designs they can use for crafting if you have a silhouette or a cricket or any other kind of cutter like a brother. I also have a library of mock-ups or stock photos. So basically, if you sell your designs, or if you make signs to sell, and you need something to kind of show your customer what they're wanting will look like, I have some of those in there. So MPD Tribe at my website, melissapetersondesigns.com. You can go and sign up there. It's just you just basically give me your email address. I email maybe once or twice a week. That's it. And I do not sell anything on the email or sell your emails to anybody. I will keep you up to date on what I'm doing for the week. I have a Monday dollar deals for my Etsy store, so I have one item in each store for sale on Mondays for $1 for those that are in my tribe. One of my sites is Piper's Paw Print Designs, and that's where I have my SVG signs that are for sale. And then I have Midwest Market Studio, which is where I have my stock photos that are for sale. That's completely different than the library. So, and that's where I have the dollar deals every Monday. And it's usually it's one specific item I have picked out for that week. And it's 24 hours only. So, if you're interested in that, sign up at MPD Tribe at Melissa Peterson Designs and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.